So BOARDLife Factory, it started with the BOARDLife skate shop that's been around for 4 or 5 years, Pantheon Longboards, and then myself from Liqwood Boards. We all teamed up and wanted to make some magic happen. So we got this facility going where we can sell boards and we can make the boards right there in the same spot. And we've got windows in the wall so people can watch it all happening, really be connected to the source of these products and have more respect for them. And you know, it's not just a $20 throwaway piece of junk from China. It's you saw it get made. These guys, they're out there skating on these hills every day, and they're in here getting sweaty and sanding and making chips fly. And it really shows through. Like, each board is cared for by a skater. It's pressed by a skater. It's finished by a skater, and it shows in the final product. Like normal skateboards, like a lot of people have tricks or a spot where they can go and pretty much guaranteed gonna snap one of their boards. But our boards survive this. It's not just a factory and a skate shop, and we're not here just to make money. Like, it's a family and it's a community. We've got the shop dog that comes in and hang out, and you know, we just love having the whole community in. Like, we have skaters come by just to help sand boards for a day because they just love being involved and part of the process. But we also have some cool technology that a lot of boards aren't made with, and that allows us to have way faster production times. We have a lot more flexibility. So yeah, we've got this RF press that it's basically like a microwave for skateboards. In a matter of 2 minutes, our glue is cured, hardened, and we just got to let the board cool down. We actually bake the water out of it, so we don't have the curing period after pressing. We're able to cut them the next day. Since the moisture is cooked out, the decks are a tiny bit lighter, and the glue spreads further into the wood, and we end up with a stronger final product. And then our mold system, it's basically impossible for us to cut a board crooked. We've developed a pin system that transfers from the molding process to cutting. Essentially, we've got four pins that imprint on our molds, and that we're able to use that on the CNC. We created vacuum fixtures where the pins line up, and then the vacuum creates the hold down force so that there's no way the board is going to be cut crooked. It's guaranteed straight. We've also virtually eliminated warps between our RF press and our humidified curing cycle. Some of the straightest decks that I've ever seen. And also our finish is top notch. We went through 10 different sprays before we found one that we actually liked and worked well with everything. And it's a little bit more expensive, but it gives a much better final finish. Super glossy, super easy to apply. It's very durable, and we put more coats on than most all the other manufacturers. We actually care about good boards and good products, and not just getting them out the door as fast as we can. We want them to last, and we build them to have fun on. So if it breaks right away, that's not going to be any fun.